each and every time you extract a shot of espresso, it leaves a layer of oil behind that out unpleasant bitterness in your next cup. We opened Mischu 9 years ago, and one of our key of success over here is the clean coffee cup and a consistent coffee cup. Cleaning your espresso machine is not a maybe, it's a must. We have to clear the oils, we have to clear the bacteria, so each and every cup we prepare tastes amazing. Imagine you drinking coffee out of a dirty cup. That is unacceptable, and I think everybody agrees with me. Using Caffenu products is, firstly, it's user-friendly. It's eco-friendly products. They're innovative. They're a great team to work with, and that's why I highly recommend them. No matter if you have a capsule machine at home or a commercial espresso machine at your coffee shop, Caffenu is the ideal product for your equipment. Now, cleaning your espresso machine is as easy as making your coffee.